Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. My name is AZIM bin Abdul Malik. I hope all of you are in a good condition. I'm from Group 4 guys. My teammates are Muhammad FAHMI bin Muhammad NURJI, KIEW XUE KEE, and NAZIRA binti AZHARUDIN. In this video, I'm going to talk about the background of our project. And as you can see here is the theme of our project. It is about UTM College Application System. We decided to choose this because we find out that the old system have imbalanced structure. So we are proposing to create a new improvised system to be introduced and used in UTM. And here is our mission statement. Our mission in this project is to provide an independent system for all students. We found out that the old system was too dependent on the main system, that is the MyUTM website. We also would like to say that this system is providing a fair and square system with the exception of students that are involved in Palapes, Succes and 5 ETP. This is because these three organizations are very big and important in UTM structure. Our objectives throughout this project are to unify the college application system in UTM-JB. Second, to preserve students' data to prevent repetitive informations when they are applying for a new residential college. This has happened before and it is such an ineffective trait, so we decided to address it. And thirdly, to provide a fair environment with a balanced system. And lastly, the college application system will also be able to track the availability of rooms instead of only colleges' names. And what you can see here is our conceptual ERD, and this is our logical ERD. That is all for the background of our project. I will pass this to my teammate.
Hi, I'm Suki. So now I'll demo the SQL query for UTM college booking system that we created. To create the database, we need to create 5 tables, which is student, college, room, booking, and payment. Next, we will alter the table. Since we have primary key and foreign key in each table, so we need to add the constraint to each table. For example, the student table, the primary key is student ID, and table room will have foreign key of college ID that is referenced to the college table. The result shown is table altered. Next, we will insert the value into student table. The student table is consist of student ID, the password given, the first name, last name, and the phone number. Where the phone number, it can be a null value. A row is inserted, and this is our student table. The null value will be presented at a dash. Next, we will proceed to the insertion of the college. So, I have choose 3 college from UTM. The college table have college ID, college name, college phone, and the address. This is the insertion for room. So we'll see how this table. So for each type of room in different college, they will have different room number. The single room will have a code of S01, but while it is located in KDDI, the room number will add a KDDI after it. So not all the college have the same type of room. For example, the single room with aircon is only in KDDI and KTHO. We will proceed to the booking that student make. So booking table will have a booking number that will be auto-generated when they book a room. Ensure their booking date so the staff and admin, they can know the order that student make a booking for certain room. This tree is a foreign key for this table. Insertion into payment. The booking number is the foreign key for this transaction ID, so they can match the transaction ID with each booking. Also, they will store when they pay the bill. Now I will show how students can use this system. First, they can view the room in only one college. If they select from the room table where the college ID is equal to KDDI, so they can only view the type of room that KDDI has. Second one is they can choose from the room type. Means if they only want single room or double room, only the double room display from the different college. So the first table first, so we can see all the room from KDDI is displayed. All they want to choose from the room, so they can see each type of double room from different college, KDDI, KTHO, and KTR. Apart from that, they also can choose by the price. For each room, they have room price per day, so they can set a minimum limit and maximum limit that they want to view the room. So let's say here is 4 and 8, so they can see the different type of room that the price is in the range from 4 to 8. While we also order by the room price for they're easy to observe it. This statement is when they make a booking, the system will automatically calculate the room that they book, the booking price for that room in one semester. Here we expected that one semester has 135 days, so we select as a book price. So this will show how much they need to pay for this semester for this room. So this is similar to the table just now, but this is for the transaction one, and we're joining 3 tables which are payment, booking and room. So here is the total price that they need to pay and the bank. Next we will see what staff can do in the system. First, the simplest one, they can update the room quantity or any other information for room and the college. So here we will set the room quantity of double room to 30 in college KDDI. So we can see that the double room for KDDI is already changed to 30. Besides, here we add another column from alternate phone. So the data type is voucher 220, and we'll update college by set the alternative phone for KTHO is this number. So we see that the alternate phone column is added. Also, when the staff they want to check for the booking statement from the student, but for certain batch, so here we can check for the 2019 batch and 2018 batch. We use like here when they start with A19 or A18, so they will display the table. Next, they can view the payment statement that student make, ordered by the pay date in descending order, while the booking number is in ascending order because we don't declare anything here, so the default is ascending order. Same here, they can select from the booking table and view follow the ascending order of the book date. For the first table, we only have the student start with A19 and A18. Next is the pay date is in descending order, while 2 January and the 1st January and below, and here is follow the ascending order. And here is the book date that follow the ascending order. Now we'll move to admin. So before a student can make the payment, their booking status must be approved. The admin is the one who will modify and update this approved status. First, we will add a status column into table booking. Next, we'll update the booking and set the status is not approved where the booking number is equal to 001. While the booking number is not equal to 001, or we say not in 001, set the status to approve. Let's see. You can see that the status is added to the booking table, and the status of 001 is set as not approved while the other is approved. So for here, the admin also can view the full details from the college. We join 2 tables from college and rooms to display their full information from college and from the room. The next one is we set the specific college to KDDI, so they can only view the details in KDDI. Okay, the first table is for all, so we can see the full detail of the college ID and college name where we selected, and the room number, room type. Next is we only choose when the college ID is equal to KDDI. So this is the all type of room that KDDI have. Last, we'll generate the receipt for the student. So now let's delete this line first. So we'll run this. We combine the booking number and the transaction ID as their receipt ID, where the line in between them, and we combine the student ID and their last name and their first name as the student details. So we can see their ID and followed by their name, and we also select the bank, and we combine the college ID and the room type as the room book. So here is the room, is the college ID and the type of room that book. So next, the final is the total price that we calculated from the room price per day times 135. We join the payment table and booking table together on the condition where the booking number in the payment table is equal to the booking number in the booking table. Next, we join the student table to get their details for their last name and the first name on the condition student ID in student table is equal to the student ID in booking table. Next, we join room table to calculate the total price from the room price per day in room table, while the room number in booking table is set as the room number in room table. So this is for all students. If we want to generate a receipt from only one student, so we would simply set one transaction ID. So we can only see when the transaction ID is 200, we can see the student details and what they book and the total price. That's all for us. Thank you.